Hello everyone, my name is Fisayo and here are the world cultural events and celebrations for the week of October 27th to November 2nd. On Thursday, October 31st, we celebrate both Halloween and Diwali. Diwali is the Hindu festival of lights. It symbolizes the spiritual victory over light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. Additionally, on Friday, November 1st is All Saints' Day, a Christian holiday celebrating in honor of all the saints of the church, whether they are known or unknown. November 1st is also the first day of American Indian Heritage Month. This is a time to recognize the history, culture, and contribution of indigenous peoples. We are also able to see the new moon at 8:47 a.m. on Friday, symbolizing fresh starts, new beginnings, and the potential for growth and transformation. And that's it for the world cultural events and celebrations. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at The Scholars NYC. I'm Fisayo, and I'll see you next time.